This is the Eastern Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Thursday, November 6th. Key points to go through is that we're looking at continued scattered showers through Friday, and then also with gusty winds expected through Friday, as well as we have a series of disturbances moving through the region. And then we expect high pressure to arrive for the weekend and continue into next week. Satellite image this morning shows considerable amount of cloudiness coming in through the region off of the Pacific Ocean. Weather risk outlook looking for little to no impacts from this system, though, as most of the precipitation is pretty light. High temperatures today generally expected to be in 40s and 50s across most of the area, and chances of precipitation today are mainly confined to the eastern highlands and also to portions of the central mountains. Rainfall liquid equivalent amounts generally expected to be 1/10 of an inch or less today, and expected snowfall will be pretty light as well, generally less than an inch. Peak wind gusts this afternoon, it will remain rather breezy, with most areas still seeing gusts 25 to 35 miles per hour across the area. Low temperatures tonight will fall back into the 30s and 20s for the mountains and highlands. And chances of precipitation tonight, we will see a little bit of a lull in the shower activity this evening before showers pick back up again during the overnight hour and into Friday morning as the next system arrives that's coming through. So this evening, mainly pretty dry. Overnight is when we have the better chances for precipitation. Expected rainfall amounts tonight look like they're going to be pretty light, though less than 1/10 of an inch, if anything. And expected snowfall amounts would be less than an inch as well. As we go into the day tomorrow, high temperatures will be pretty seasonal, generally in the low 50s with 40s in the mountains and highlands. And precipitation chances tomorrow, once again, best over the mountains and highlands, and then maybe some slight chances to 30-40% chances across the Snake Plain and Magic Valley. Although, once again, rainfall amounts look like they'll be pretty light, generally 1/10 of an inch or less in the valleys, maybe up to 1/4 of an inch or so in the higher terrain. Additional snowfall amounts during the day tomorrow, as a whole, look like they're going to be pretty light, generally an inch or less, although if you get above 7,000 feet, you could run into some slightly higher accumulations, especially over in the Teton area. And then wind gusts tomorrow afternoon, still pretty breezy, generally 25 to 30 miles per hour. Wouldn't be surprised to see some 40 or even 45 mile per hour gusts out towards INL. And then low temperatures tomorrow night generally should be back below freezing everywhere, with single digits possible in the Stanley region. And then precipitation chances as we go into tomorrow night start to dwindle off, with just some low chances across the eastern highlands, and the associated rainfall amounts looking pretty light as well, as in addition to the snowfall amounts. High temperatures as we go into Saturday, a little bit on the chilly side, generally 40s across most of the region, but we were expecting dry weather for Saturday and relatively light winds. So just to summarize, scattered showers are expected through Friday with gusty winds through Friday, and then dry weather with lighter winds returns for the weekend and should prevail into early next week. That concludes this morning's briefing. If you have any questions or comments, please reach out to us. Thank you.